like Arizona gonna be have lots of smoke you can see on this map, but and also there's a lot of chance for the tomorrow for the little bit chance for high risk for wildfires for around little coma and also a pain the top of death list around the region and also Kansas will be impacted also and also talk about severe weather and flooding after this intro. Extreme weather over here. We actually see what is going currently over day and a day out, but on like a this it is like this is like the RM model really short, but it's not show the important things like snow, because there's still lots of snow happening and also still lots of severe weather and also very dry and very hot air is coming to your way. You will see it eventually. Let me explain about the severe part of it and also about snow and the flood and also fire is still going on over years. And also, I made a good thing. I made a good website because I show you something new on that website because I made like merch if you want to see it really cool merch out there. Let's head on the severe part of it. So there's going to be a chance for a lot of activity with the dew point going to get really high enough for the 15th at 4 p.m. And also there's a lot of can painting waiting for appearing very soon, very much more better at it around 6. But there's a lot of, and also there's maybe a chance for me to live stream, but let you guys, it's not a big deal, but let you know it, I wanted to see if you want to join it or not to see it going through it over time when it goes storming each day around 6. I will maybe doing a little live streaming about it. And also it's about situation. The levels are still going to be a little bit high about the flooding, but it is much later than that. So much later for total flooding. But show you is not going, not very small chance for like Maryland have flooding, but when you put all combined like on like European models, I mean like European model, you see the big difference for chance for flooding for Maryland, but it's gonna be a little bit lesser than I thought previously over years. But still chance for flooding around like 18th at 7 p.m. You have lots of rain precipitation, but the more important it is out there for the totals for the average of precipitation. That's why I was talking about it. And there's a lot of precipitation still going pin on it, but we don't know how bad it could be all the way to the 20th. But we still thinking it's gonna be slowly weakening and it's gonna be very dry, but very slowly on the 21, but a little bit more precipitation around Florida, but less precipitation in Maryland all the way to the 21st. It's really gonna be a little bit dry on the 21st. We don't know if there's still chance for flooding or not for the Maryland. I would still keep on the severe, but I was back to still keep on those really high dew points still gonna be possible, but around 60, but around 10 is really high, but could be much as precipitation on there could be a possibility of those severe weather over the years, but there's a couple of total for like the Italy, but the spin atmosphere there's not a lot, but it's still gonna be a couple in the atmosphere. Speaking of the atmosphere about the temperature, it's gonna be not very high, but there's could be a possibility of the temperature will be around 60. Still could be a possibility of that as well when those severe parts of it going on over today for years to come for those line of severe thunderstorms at around 6 on the Wednesday part of it. And also it's just so much windy and it's going happening with this week. So the it's gonna be a little bit very strong per hour range. It's gonna be around some areas will be like 72 per hour and on some all the way to like around 100 because you going to get around like very like a hurricane winds per hour. That's what we need to keep out for that because that mixed with the snow you kind of get an amazing winter snowstorm. That's all the way to around Canada region for it for the Thursday day. Lots of reason for the winter season to come. And also it needs really cold area to see it to come for with the severe weather. There's lots of it on Saturday because there's a model, but maybe we can see per view for it to show it coming for those storms for the like winter and stuff still going on for it for like the winter totals. Some areas just going to get a lot of or a little bit for snow. Just like look like in 2 days for snow for region. There's not a lot of in northeast, but there's lots around Rockies about snow in the mountains area. Very high. Who knows, will be another chance for snow for the northeast. There's still going to be chance for it to come. And then the low pressure forming around the region to the the snow area around Rockies, and then headed towards the plains, and then headed towards the little bit severe area. This is what I talk about. But the Northeast is gonna be a little bit quiet. It's a little bit maybe driest for the area. But I also want to show you what is going on with the the clouds, because you kind of see a bang of clouds in an area. Show you is just keep moving all the way to the Canada. Is kind of like moving all the way to the northwest around the California region. The amazing bang amazing biggest clouds in the atmosphere are moving towards the, and it will gonna be amazing to see the clouds are going appearing. And also the NOAA predicting center for the severe and fires is still could be possibility out there. There's like very extreme for raging for the fire. A really critical range to the Texas all the way to maybe around Oklahoma City. To see those fire like in action, we need to maybe go to like NASA smoke to see it happening. So for like tomorrow, for December, do not see lots of fires, but there's lots of smoke. But in the blue, like maybe, but around December 18th, there's like around California, there's a chance for a little bit fires, and then maybe that's all, and for the region, because there's a mix for the smoke in the area, but there's a lot of present reason for the fires in the alleys as well. To the west, it's just lots of fires still could be a possibility on like the Wednesday note at around like midnight, around 11 p.m. Well, it is just really tough to say what is going around with each area to each zone. Hopefully your area is not going to miss anything. This is extreme weather out here.